Christina María Aguilera is an American singer, songwriter, actress and television personality. Her accolades include 5 Grammy Awards, 1 Latin Grammy Award, and a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Aguilera ranked at number 58 on Rolling Stone's list of 100 greatest singers of all time in 2008 and was included on Time's annual list of the 100 most influential people in the world in 2013. With estimated sales of 75 million records, she is one of the world's best-selling music artists. Born in Staten Island of New York City and raised in Pennsylvania, Aguilera appeared on television shows in her early years before gaining a recording contract with RCA Records in 1998. Her self-titled debut album, released in 1999, reached number 1 in the US and spawned 3 US number 1 singles: Genie in a Bottle, What a Girl Wants, and Come On Over Baby. While recognized as a prominent figure in the contemporary teen pop scene, Aguilera sought to assume artistic control with Stripped and its lead single Dirty, which displayed her sexually emancipated persona and generated considerable controversy. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.